Welcome back to CyberFlux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of virtual private networks, commonly known as VPNs. We'll explain what VPNs are, their importance, and provide a comprehensive review of some of the best VPN services available in the market. So, let's get started. What is a VPN? Before we delve into the details, let's first understand what a VPN is. A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is a technology that establishes a secure and encrypted connection between your device and the internet. It acts as a protective tunnel, shielding your online activities from prying eyes such as hackers, ISPs, and even government surveillance. Importance of VPNs: 0 to 100% coverage. VPNs offer numerous benefits, ranging from security and privacy to accessing region-restricted content. On a scale of 0 to 100%, let's break down the key advantages of using a VPN. Security: 90% VPNs provide robust encryption, safeguarding your data from potential threats when using public Wi-Fi networks or browsing websites. Privacy: 95% by using a VPN, your IP address is masked, making it difficult for anyone to trace your online activities back to you. Anonymity: 85% VPNs enhance your anonymity by routing your internet traffic through different servers, making it challenging for anyone to track your online behavior. Bypassing censorship: 80% VPNs allow you to bypass internet censorship and access geo-restricted content or websites blocked in your region. Remote access: 70% VPNs enable secure remote access to your home or work network, allowing you to connect to private resources while on the go. Best VPN services and their features. Bypassing censorship: 80% VPNs allow you to bypass internet censorship and access geo-restricted content or websites blocked in your region. Remote access: 70% VPNs enable secure remote access to your home or work network, allowing you to connect to private resources while on the go. Best VPN services and their features. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the best VPN services available in the market today. Remember, these are just a few examples, and there are many other great options out there. Here's a brief overview of each VPN and their key features. We'll explore their features, server networks, and the reasons why they stand out among the competition. So, let's dive in. NordVPN. Our first VPN on the list is NordVPN. Let's take a closer look at what makes it a popular choice for many users. Server network. NordVPN boasts an impressive server network with over 5,000 servers spread across more than 60 countries. This extensive coverage ensures a wide range of options for users looking to connect to different locations. Security features. NordVPN prioritizes user security by offering double encryption, which means your data is encrypted twice for enhanced protection. It also features CyberSEC, a feature that blocks ads and protects against malware and other online threats. Additionally, NordVPN provides an onion over VPN feature, which allows you to route your traffic through the Tor network for added anonymity. ExpressVPN. Next up is ExpressVPN, known for its high-speed performance and robust features. Let's explore its offerings in more detail. Server network. ExpressVPN boasts a vast server network with locations in over 90 countries. This extensive coverage ensures that users can access content from around the world with ease. Speed and performance. ExpressVPN is renowned for its blazing fast speeds, making it an excellent choice for streaming, gaming, and downloading large files. Its optimized servers ensure a smooth and lag-free experience. Advanced security features. ExpressVPN provides advanced security features such as a kill switch, which automatically disconnects your internet connection if the VPN connection drops. It also offers split tunneling, allowing you to choose which traffic goes through the VPN and which uses your regular internet connection. CyberGhost. Now, let's move on to CyberGhost, a user-friendly VPN service known for its simplicity and strong privacy features. User-friendly interface. CyberGhost offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for even beginners to navigate and set up. It provides a simple one-click solution to connect to a VPN server network. CyberGhost boasts an extensive server network with locations in over 90 countries. It provides specialized servers optimized for various purposes such as streaming, torrenting, and gaming. Robust privacy features. CyberGhost places a strong emphasis on privacy, featuring a strict no-logs policy, which means they do not track or store your online activity. It also includes an ad blocker and a malware blocker for an enhanced browsing experience. Private Internet Access. Private Internet Access, commonly known as PIA, is a popular VPN service that offers a high level of privacy and security. Let's explore its key features. Server Network. PIA operates a vast network of servers in various locations worldwide. This extensive coverage allows users to access content from different regions and bypass geo-restrictions. Strong security features. PIA utilizes strong encryption protocols to protect your data and ensure your online activities remain private. It also offers features like a kill switch, which terminates your internet connection if the VPN connection drops, and advanced DNS leak protection. Simultaneous connections. PIA allows you to connect multiple devices simultaneously with a single subscription, making it a convenient choice for users with multiple devices. Surfshark. Moving on to Surfshark, a relatively new VPN service that has gained popularity for its affordability and unlimited simultaneous connections. Let's explore its standout features. Unlimited simultaneous connections. Surfshark allows you to connect an unlimited number of devices with a single subscription, making it an excellent choice for households or users with multiple devices. Multi-hop and clean web. Surfshark offers a unique feature called multi-hop, which routes your traffic through multiple servers in different locations for added security and anonymity. It also includes clean web, an ad blocker, and malware protection feature. Strict no-logs policy. Surfshark has a strict no-logs policy, meaning they do not store any information about your online activities, ensuring your privacy remains intact. Hotspot Shield. Hotspot Shield is known for its user-friendly interface and offers a free version with limited features. It utilizes its proprietary Catapult Hydra protocol, which enhances connection speeds and provides robust security. The premium version of Hotspot Shield offers additional benefits such as access to a larger server network and dedicated customer support. IPVanish. IPVanish is a popular choice for users seeking a balance between speed and security. It provides a large network of servers in various locations and supports anonymous torrenting. IPVanish offers strong encryption and features like a kill switch and DNS leak protection to ensure the privacy and security of your online activities. VYPR VPN. VYPR VPN is a reliable VPN service that emphasizes privacy and security. It offers its proprietary Chameleon protocol, which helps bypass VPN blocking and enhances security by encrypting metadata. VYPR VPN operates its servers, ensuring data privacy, and has a strict no-logs policy. It also provides features like a kill switch and DNS leak protection. TunnelBear. TunnelBear is known for its simplicity and user-friendly approach. It offers a free plan with limited data and a paid version with unlimited data. TunnelBear provides strong encryption to protect your data and features like a vigilant mode, kill switch, and ghost bear, which helps bypass VPN blocking. It has a no-logs policy and offers apps for various platforms. Proton VPN. Proton VPN is developed by the team behind the popular encrypted email service Proton Mail. It offers a free plan with limited features and a paid version with additional benefits. Proton VPN focuses on privacy and security, providing end-to-end encryption and a secure core network that routes your traffic through multiple servers for added protection. It has a strict no-logs policy and offers features like a kill switch and DNS leak protection. Conclusion. And there you have it. A detailed overview of some of the best VPN services available in the market. Remember to consider factors such as server network, security features, and user-friendliness when choosing a VPN that aligns with your needs. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Stay safe and protected online with a reliable VPN. Until next time, take care.